I'm James with Yeti Restoration here in Ohio. One of the applications we're really excited about with our cold jet ice blaster is what we're able to do in vintage cars, classic cars, or high-end production vehicles. The project that we're working on today is actually removing an underbody coating that was put on this 1973 Maserati maybe 20 years ago. And so we're working with our partners here locally at this automotive shop to remove that and actually expose the original paint, which was a surprise color none of us were expecting. And there really isn't a better way of cleaning and getting that detail clean without mess as well, that we're able to take that surface off and leave an original finish. Cold Jet have really changed the game for us in terms of what we can do for customers with vintage cars or classic cars, high-end vehicles, where we can actually now dial right in how many pounds of ice we want to use per minute, or how fragmented we want the ice to get for different applications on leather, the interior, the whole interior bay, or coming right through the engine bay. There's ways that we can clean in an engine bay that there's really no other application can get to that level of detail clean that we can do using the cold jet ice blasters that we're using. And when you think about all the different hoses, the plastics, metals, different types of metals, hard substrates and soft, all in that space, typically, historically, people have used steam or other mechanisms, which actually leaves a real mess. When we're done, not only have we been able to get right into every kind of nook and cranny, we're left with just a small area to sweep up when we're finished. So it's really changed the abilities we have and the capabilities we can bring to a customer. So really excited about the opportunities we have with this.